What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be going over a little project I worked on off camera. I'm just going to be showing it off and shouting out somebody, kind of telling you how I'm walking you through the process of how I made it. But yeah, this is my first time tooling leather, stamping it and everything, and antiquing and finishing, and it's far from perfect, but I think it was a fun project. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. I had received a package from James over at Warrior Works. And he had sent me some blade blubber and a nice pin and a challenge coin and stickers and a bunch of stuff. So I wanted to make him something as a little gift. So I decided I'd make him, he's up there in Alaska, I decided I'd make him an ulu knife and a stand for it. So there's our stand. Just a slot cut into an antler. And there's our knife. Like I said, my first time ever tooling leather. It's far from perfect. But I figure I'll send him this one now, and maybe in a year or two when I got some more experience under my belt, I'll make another one and he can compare them. This blade I cut out of a old concrete circular saw blade. It's one just like this, as outside. But yeah, that's what the blade material's out of. It was my first time doing some big stock for the pins, so they didn't turn out perfect. I left too much room, too much length on them when I was filing them down before I peened them over. So they started to split on the edges. Got his name on there. Got my logo on there. I did do a bit of a forced patina with mustard. You can't tell a whole lot. I brushed it this way. But yeah, I got it pretty good and sharp. I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you all think down in the comments below. Like I said, probably send him another one here in a couple years or something when I get a little more experience under my belt. You can compare them. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. And then I remember he said something about he's sending a package my way, so that'll be the second part of this video. Alright, y'all. Now we're going to get into the packages that Brother James from Alaska sent me. Warrior Works. Start off with his sticker. Y'all make sure to go check him out. He does some incredible work rehandling old knives and stuff, old slip joints, using walrus ivory and moose antler and a bunch of stuff. It's really incredible work. Y'all make sure to go check him out. Let's get to the packages he sent. Who's in this first one right here? We had talked about, he asked me what some, I don't remember how the subject came up actually. We talked about electrician's knives and how I didn't have one in my collection. So he went out and found me one off eBay actually. I really appreciate that, James. This one is a 4-line Camillus. Has the USA under. It's really hard to see down there. Camillus, and then the line New York, USA. I'll pop up the date right here. I appreciate this, James. I'm excited to get this thing cleaned up and start carrying it. It's a great little knife. I'm really appreciative of it. Thank you, James. Let's see what else you got. You sent my way. Next, he sent a big box full of stuff. He had asked me what's one thing I really need, I feel like I don't have, in what I do making stuff. And I said handle material is really what I'm struggling with the most, I think. Just having the variety in handle materials. So he sent me a care package full of a bunch of stuff. I know he said this right here is Wingay. I'll put the spelling and some other pictures of this wood. This is an African hardwood. Sent me some blocks of that. This is super hard stuff. Listen to that. It's really beautiful. That black striping on there. That's awesome. I'm excited to get some of that onto a knife. I know he said there was, I think, rosewood and coca-cola and a bunch of others. I can't remember them all, but I think there's some oak in here. Some really pretty woods right there. Look at that stuff. Just a bunch of awesome stuff. Look at all this material. I mean, come on. Look at that. Got that beautiful chatoyancy where it catches the light and shimmers like that. That's really beautiful stuff, man. Thank you, James. This is going to get me through a lot of projects. This is awesome. This is more than I could have hoped for, man. Thank you. Look at that stuff. That is beautiful wood right there. I'm excited to get this on some knives. Bunch of beautiful wood. Got some red oak there. Yeah, the grain on that's similar to the wood I've been using. For, at least for the last knife I did, the dime. That's similar to the wood I used on it. Some beautiful stuff. Bunch of beautiful wood. Look at that stuff, man. That is awesome. That striping in there. That's gorgeous stuff. Thank you, James, so much for all this. This is going to get me through projects for probably a year or two. Unless business starts picking up really good, this will get me through quite a while. Thank you, James. Some more of that Wingay. Not sure what type that is. It's really pretty though. I like that grain on there. Bunch more. This is awesome. Thank you, James. Let's see what else we got in here. Bag full of a bunch of different threads. It's good to have a variety, which I don't currently have until now. So thank you. Y'all start seeing some other colors now and some thread work I do. We got a oval carpenter's pencil. DeWalt. This is has this got a drill bit? Yeah. With the thing to chamfer the edge. And drill bit to pilot hole, and then you got your drill bit on your driver bit on one side. That's cool. Glass cutter. Red Devil glass cutter. Cool. That's a new tool I didn't have in my arsenal. That's cool. Ooh, look like this. Got broken the box and transport. Dowel center hole punches. Those are cool. That's a useful tool I didn't have, so I appreciate that. That will certainly come in handy. And then we got a couple knives in here. Let me get some of this other stuff moved over. Alright, let's get a look at these knives. Got this old hawk bill. Now, I had already talked to James on the phone, and he was thinking with this one that I could replace the old plastic handles with some of the material he sent me. So that'll be a project coming up in the future. Try my hand at it. It'll be my first time taking apart and repinning a knife, so that'll be an experience. This knife is a Cutmaster. I'll pop up the date, what I can find on the internet right here. Cutmaster, Utica, New York, USA, with a K. So that might be a date code. I'll pop it up. This is a beautiful knife though. Hardly any wear on the blade. It wasn't sharpened a whole lot because it's still got its point and pretty close to the original geometry. It locks up nice. This is a clean little knife. Just needs a little TLC. It'll be good to go. Good snap to it. I didn't have one of these in my collection either, James. Thank you. I got a hawkbill now, and a good one at that. That's a nice knife. Thank you, brother. So we got that hawkbill. We got the electrician's Camillus. And then we got here Kershaw Iredale. That's a cool knife. I didn't even know that until James sent me this. I talked to him on the phone. I didn't even know Kershaw had a slip joint like this. This is awesome. It's a nice knife. This is one that's definitely going to find its way in the pocket. I'll be carrying this one pretty often, I bet. I really like that thin blade, that toothpick. That's cool. That's a nice knife. I appreciate it, James, very much. Thank you, brother. All these awesome gifts. You didn't have to do all this. I really appreciate it. I'm glad to hear you enjoyed the knife I sent you. Like I said, when I get some more experience under my belt, you'll be having another one on the way to you. Compare the improvements. Alright, y'all. That was swapping, kind of trading gifts with James Warrior Works from Alaska. Y'all make sure to go check him out. Thank him. Tell him I sent you all this awesome stuff. Thank you, James. This is you'll be seeing all this material getting used in projects coming up throughout the year. So I really appreciate it. Truly, brother. You're a valuable asset to the community. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to go back 2 videos to see how you can enter in my 500 subscriber giveaway. I'm coming up real close here. Yeah. You all subscribe, like the video, comment down below. Let me know what you think of the awesome gifts that James sent and what you think of that Ulu knife. Yeah. I hope you all enjoyed. Until next time. Peace.